this is Cheryl Graham, and this is the informative speech on how to make peach dessert. First thing we're going to do is gather all our ingredients. We've got yellow cake mix. I chose a gluten-free brand. We have a stick of butter, a large tub of sour cream, 1 egg, granulated sugar, and a measuring cup so we can get a cup of sugar. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pour our cake mix into our rather large cake pan. Get rid of the evidence there. And we're going to take the stick of butter, dump it in. Then you're going to take our fork, chop up the butter, mix it in with the cake mix. In the meantime, I also have a whole bunch of peaches, if you want to take a look over here, straining so that all the juices are out of it, so that we don't get a runny peach dessert. And then while I'm doing this, I also have the oven heating to 350. Right now it's counting down to the minutes that it's going to be at 350, but we leave it at 350 degrees. Once that's ready, I'll be ready to stick this in for approximately 10 minutes. That'll allow the butter to heat and we create a base for our peach dessert. We've got to create a crust, so we're going to mush up the butter best we can. No need to be pretty. We just have to make it kind of even, and it'll all melt and soak in, and it'll even out later. Because later on we'll add the peaches and the sour cream and whatnot. Now we are ready to stick this in the oven for 10 minutes. So while that is baking, we're going to go over here to our sour cream, crack an egg, put it in, get 1 cup of sugar. I have a half cup measuring cup here, so I'm going to get 2 scoops, level scoops. I'm only going to do one at a time because it fills up pretty quickly, as you see. Slowly stir it around. Oops, I'm spilling already. Baking's always messy. But we just want to mix the majority of it together so that we have a nice outcome in the end. This is going to be what holds everything together. And it actually tastes really good when it's done. So we mix it up the best we can. And this takes a few minutes, so we do it while we're waiting for the 10 minutes of the base to cook. We just wanted to get a crunchy little bottom layer going, so we get this prepared, because once that's done, we're going to add this on top of the peaches we put directly on top of the cake mix that's already in there. So, in saying that, I'm going to add 1 more half cup of sugar. Oops, I'll have to wait. Hold that there. Gets kind of full, but it's fun being messy. But the key is to go slow until you dig enough holes and it seeps down on in. And then you just scoop it up slowly but surely, making sure to get all the way to the bottom. And then you can stir it up a little more. And we'll try and add a little bit more sugar. We're trying to add a full cup. There we go. Let's see if we can stir the rest of that together. This is kind of a messy situation, but we'll work with it. It's funny, this was a recipe my mother taught me, but for her it came out a lot easier. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes, so we're going to take a break and we'll come back to this video and add everything together.